Height. Right? Right refers to something that is correct or in the correct position. You got the answer, right?
Right. Right, left.
Everybody look to their right.
Sight. Sight refers to the ability to see or the visual appearance of something. The view from the top of the mountain is a beautiful sight.
Kill on sight, kill on sight, kill on sight.
Target sighted.
Unbelievable sight.
Out of sight.
Fight. Fight means a physical struggle or argument between people or groups. They had a fight over the last piece of cake.
After every fight, just apologize.
We got the refugees. No fighting. Fight.
Might. Might refers to power or the ability to do something. It can also be used to express possibility. She might come to the party if she finished her work.
Might happen, might not happen.
You might.
I might.
Might be me believing what you say that you never.
You might, Rabbit, you might.
Night. Night refers to the time of day when it is dark outside, typically after sunset. I like to read books at night.
Night. Great. Night.
Oh, make it last all night. Night on hell. Night down.
Care. Care refers to the process of taking responsibility for someone or something or showing concern for their well-being. She takes care of her grandmother every day.
Careful.
Well, I don't care. You're here.
Carefully. What's a giant hand on?
Careful.
Cake. Cake is a sweet, baked dessert that is typically made from flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. I baked a chocolate cake for her birthday.
Cake store.
Piece of cake. Cake, yes.
Case. Case can refer to an instance or situation that is being considered. The police are investigating the case of the missing wallet.
A case?
A case.
A case?
A customer.
A case.
Her case?
Case of love bipolar.
Running from case to case.
Bite. Bite refers to using your teeth to cut or crush something, often food. Be careful not to bite your tongue.
Maybe a bite. Another one bites the dust.
Is bite me.
My dad hurt.
Site. Site refers to a location or place, often for building, working, or visiting. The construction site was busy with workers.
It's the video sharing site. I'm just starting your account.
The crash site.
What's the site of?
An ideal site. Yes.